Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create shell script for zipping and for deleting all backup files. Suppose you're working in production department and there is some directory which is creating a lot of logs and other files. So backup file or something, if it is creating, then if you need to delete it daily basis or monthly basis or weekly basis, then you can create a shell script for it. Okay, so for example, you can see this is my machine and this is the data directory. Okay, so let me create uh, now there is nothing. Let me create some files. Okay, and then I am doing test.txt, and you can see the file one is created, and now the time is, you can see, 10:27 p.m. Okay, so let me create another file, test1 and test2, test3 and test4, and let me check. You can see I have created 4 files, and let me create another file, 50, 60. Okay, so suppose your directory is generating the continuous data and then you need to delete it, and let me create 9. Let me wait. You can see I have created 9 file, and let me create another more file, and let me wait for 1 minute. I have created on 10:27 p.m. and let me wait. You can see the first file is zipped. Okay, and you can see second file will be zipped after 2 minutes. You can see all file is zipped now. Okay, so after sometimes it will all file will be deleted. So I will show you after I have completed my script. So let me go back and let me create a directory, mkd. Okay, cd mkd, and this is the directory I have created, mkd under mkd, and here I am going to write some script on here. Clean up and gzip.sh. Okay, this file is created, so I have to do clean up and zipped, and here the script first you need to do #bin bash. Okay, and then I need to create a directory. Need to mention the directory where file needs to zip. Okay, and delete. So here let me write a directory name, and this directory will be like mhome. Let me create another terminal also. Okay, cdmkd present working directory. This directory will have the logs file, and here what I'm going to do, home mkd/mkd. Okay, so after that what I'm going to do, this is the directory name, and here some commands older than, you can mention it 7 days, okay, 8 days or 9 days as per your policy. Here I am mentioning 1 minute, okay, and zip them, okay. So here I'm going to put the find commands for the files older than 1 minute, and then zip command, okay. So here's the find command, and the directory will be like dollar directory, and then this is close, and then I will mention type and type F, and here is the M time, okay. If you are using there for, then it will be other combination, okay. So M time will be exactly see, I am mentioning M minutes, okay. So it will be 1 plus 1, and then execute command gzip, okay, colon slash, and then this one. So here is the command for find. It will go to directory, it will search for directory, and it will search for file, and M minutes for minute, that is more than 1 minute, and then it will execute the zip commands, okay. And here same delete file older than 5 minutes, okay. Your command will be same, find, and then directory name will be there, dollar directory, okay, then hyphen type F, and here if you mention M time, that means day, okay. So we don't need day, so we are going with minutes, okay, plus 5, plus 5, and here execute command will be there, exec rm, okay, and then this will be completed by this slash and colon, okay. So let me check, this is the directory, and this is the find command, find directory, type F, M time or M minutes. We are going to do this testing for minutes, more than 1 minute file will be zipped, and here find type file M minutes, older than 5 minutes file will be deleted, okay. So we can save this file, and let me do some chmod plus x clean up and zip command, okay. So here clean up and zip, so this is on mkd home, and this, let me go to contact hyphen l hyphen e, okay. So here I have already doing the testing for this one. Here I'm going to add another one, so I'm going to check it for every minute, okay, every minute, and then directory will be home, and then mkd, and then clean up and zip.sh. So let me save it, and let me go to the directory where we have created mkd directory. I have created cd mkd, and I'm going to testing here, okay. So here I'm going to do some testing and test.txt. Okay, so time is now, you can see 10:37 p.m. So let me create first file, let me create the second file, let me create third, fourth, and fifth. You can see fifth file is created total, and then six, file number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me check. Okay, and let me get one more file, and the time is, you can see 10:38 p.m. So let me check whether it's working or not. Let me check it. You can see the file is zipped. Okay, and after 5 minutes it will be deleted. So for deleted purpose, you can see we have created that other mkd directory, right? Other data directory. So let me go to that data directory, and you can see no file. So I have created that file here, and the file was deleted. You can see. Okay, so this is how you can create a, a shell script using these commands. If you are going to do for days or month, then you can do that. Thank you.